Well, good morning everybody, and welcome along. This is the third video of this series, and this is to give you a bit of an insight and an update as to what's going to be happening with ENG4096, which is the Reverse Engineering Project. This all kicks off next week, starting from the 24th of Jan, so you need to be on campus, okay? The only aspects that we're going to be doing are the lectures on a Monday. They're going to be online. Everything else is going to be face-to-face, so you need to be there, okay? I've had one or two students have sort of been in touch and said, well, I've got to get a COVID jab, might not be in for that first week. Well, you know, you've had 6 weeks to get a COVID jab, so get it sorted out, okay? With the COVID jabs, being serious for a moment, there are walk-in clinics. So what I did with mine, I did have an appointment, which wasn't convenient. I went to a walk-in clinic, got jabbed there and then, and of course cancelled my appointment. So you might be able to do the same and get your agenda and your own personal calendar free, so you can be here on campus from the 24th next week, and you can engage and be part of this. It's really important. For the first couple of weeks, there's going to be lots of information to help you get up to speed and to get organised and to help you set in the right direction. And if you miss that, well, you're going to have to catch it back, and frankly it could be difficult. There's not, this is a 12-week project, but we're going to be making full use of those 12 weeks, okay? So there's not a lot of slack or spare time within the project itself. So what do I need to be telling you today? Well, it's really about the teams and how you can get yourselves organised. I've given you already a heads up on what articles you can choose, and if you've missed that information, you need to go to YouTube. So click on the link from this video and I'll show you where you'll end up. You'll end up at this website here, and above my head you can see there's the two videos there for the previous ones which tell you about the articles, so check those out. They're only 2-3 minutes, as this one is. If you've missed it, it's not a lot of time for you to invest to get up to speed. But for today, what you need to be thinking about then is your team. You're going to be working as an individual but within a team, as is the way with engineering projects. It's all about teamwork, and I'd really like you to form your own teams of 4 or 5 people. 4 or 5 people. Choose the people who you'd really like to work with, or you think might be an asset, or that you're going to get along with well, or that you can resolve differences with, or that's going to complement your skills. Whatever it might be, organise yourselves into groups of 4 or 5 and choose one article, one product per team. So if you have already got an idea and you're starting to get sort of formalised in your own mind as to how you'd like to approach this project, well, take the initiative, get the team around you, work with the team, reach out to them, get online, talk to them, phone them up, send them a message, whatever, and get them organised and say, hey, I'd really like you to be on my team, or can I be on your team? And this is the article I'd like to do. You can leave it till next week if you wish, but I'm more than happy to organise those of you who are unable to organise yourselves into teams. But bear in mind that my version of your team might not be the one that you actually want, okay? So it's going to work much better if you take the initiative at this stage and get yourselves organised. That's it. Enjoy the lovely sunny weather, and I hope to catch up with you next week. All the best.